Safety Talk 84. Climbing up and down. I've noticed that some of you sometimes use a dangerous technique, jumping down from one level to another. Some even try to jump up to a higher level. Most of us, fortunately, use ladders. But today's talk is not about fixed ladders in the building. It's about the portable ladders we use to reach places where no stairs have been built. We have many mobile ladders in the plant. They look safe, but injuries can still happen when people don't follow basic safety rules. Sometimes it's simply a lack of knowledge about how to use them safely. That's why today we'll review the most essential practices to use portable ladders safely. First rule: make sure the ladder is on firm ground. It must not move unexpectedly due to sudden shifts or body movement. Second rule: set the ladder at the correct angle. A stable ladder lets us climb safely up and down. The correct angle is 75 degrees. Too steep, and the ladder could tip backwards. Too flat, and it could slide out under your weight. Beyond these two basic rules, here are more key tips to prevent ladder accidents. 1. Choose the right ladder for the task. If you'll work near electricity, never use a metal ladder. Use wood or fiberglass instead. 2. Always inspect the ladder before using it. Check the steps for wear, loose screws, or cracks. Never use a damaged ladder or one with missing rungs. 3. For step ladders, make sure it's fully opened before climbing. This seems obvious, but it's often ignored, and it causes many accidents. If using a ladder in a high-traffic area, mark the area with signs and barriers to alert pedestrians or vehicles. Never place a ladder behind a door or window. If it opens suddenly, the ladder may get knocked over. When using a ladder to access a roof or platform, the top of the ladder should extend at least 1 meter above the edge. Tie the top near the contact point to prevent movement. Never lean a ladder on an unstable surface. Climb facing the ladder, one step at a time, always using your hands. If you need to carry tools, use a tool belt. Final reminder: use common sense when working at height. Hold on with one hand. Don't reach too far. And keep your balance. If the task requires a safety harness, wear it properly. Ladders are very useful, but they can be dangerous if we ignore basic rules. Let's use them wisely every time.